Like, even on my worst day, it's still a great day.
Yeah.
Some days, they're not the greatest days. I understand. We're all going to have not a great day, but it's still the best day of your life, even on your worst day. God keeps me, that I'm kept this far, because, some days are not great, but I'm in a position to be encouraged that I'm up and I'm walking and talking. So what are you going to do with it, Bridgette? What are you going to do today, Bridgette? God allowed me to get up and I'm not in pain today. It's a good day. Yeah. How are you going to use this good day? And even on the bad days, okay, Bridgette, let's see how strong you are. How strong are you, Bridgette? I think those are, God giving me little tests of, okay, let me see how strong you are. And so I can show other people how strong we can be dealing with this. So, I do wear very many hats. So my full-time job, I am banking center manager, vice president for Legacy Texas, now Prosperity. So I manage 2 of their banking centers up north. I have the honor of serving at Shoreline City on Sundays as a host. And then I am incoming chair for a local chamber in the southern sector of Dallas. But most importantly, I am founder and president of TaylorCares. And so to know that I get the opportunity to wear those hats and try to wear them to the best of my ability and have MS, there's no excuse.
Right.
That's motivation. You know what I'm saying?
Because when I'm listening to all that you do, it's like, well, you do all of that?
Right, it's all God and good makeup.
Okay, now I believe the good makeup part.
You see, you got to keep it together. You got to. I look a certain way. I try to look a certain way at all times. Yes, but to know that somebody has to do it, and I'm just so privileged, and I'm so grateful that it's me, that I get the privilege to work hard and do it every day.